This is Groovy Space and we are in Cranbourne, Victoria 3977. We have an outdoor unit, a drive-up unit, and the size of this unit is 6 meter deep, 3 meter wide and 3 meter high. This is a gift shop, and we're going to show you some of the stuff here. All the card stand here, calendars, card stand. Okay, it's more here. Probably those are magazines. Okay, we're gonna start from the right. Then after that we proceed to the left. General stuff. Whatever is stated on the box may or may not be what is inside. Please be mindful of that. See a lot of cutlery here. Okay. We'll start from the back. Heaps of boxes here, empty boxes. Shoes. Got a drawers in cane furniture, a fan, and we got a cash register. Not sure if there's anything inside there. Probably could have some money. Okay. Please be mindful there's broken glass. Okay, we're gonna enter here on this side. I'm going to show you the back. Okay, I'm going to show you the right side. There's a lot of archive boxes here. Okay. Okay. It says here ornament display. Empty box. There are some boxes which are empty. Okay. Once again, this is in Cranbourne, Victoria 3977. Nothing is tested. Once this is sold, everything to be removed, nothing to be left behind. And there's a $250 cash deposit. When you clear the unit, we'll refund you back the $250 cash deposit. Okay, thank you for watching.